Alright, I'm back. I'm walking out toward the road that takes me down to the lake. I'm almost to the entrance of the... I'm definitely past the entrance of the campground. And I just thought I'd show you some of the forest. Isn't that pretty? The vines and the palmettos and these little saplings or whatever tree they are. That's really pretty. Alright. See all the vines? Little picnic or campsite there, primitive site like mine. Oh, look at that vine. Let's see if we gotta go walk up to this. This is really cool. Hang on, everybody. I gotta adjust my hat. Alright. I don't want to go any further because the soil is kind of wet. But let's see if we can get closer. Oh, look at this. Is that cool or what? 4-leaf clovers, maybe. Some beautiful clover. There's some poison ivy. And here's this cool vine with some kind of creeper on it. Look at that one in front of me. That is really cool. Yeah. Peaceful out here. I have no idea what kind of bird that is. Alright, let's just keep walking. This is good for me. I need this. I see trash. I'm not going to go. Don't get me started on that one. I will rant and rave for hours. Kind of tired now. I've been busy all morning doing stuff. Wow. Look at these vines. Oh, this is awesome. This is like a little, I don't know, vine cage or something. Wow. Very fibrous wood. It's different. And then there's this white stuff on it. I think it's some kind of lichen. Yeah, that's lichen. There's some on the tree too. Some of the plants I know, a few. So tomorrow I move on. Now I'm going to get into Texas. Try and get up in the national forest land. I want to take my goddaughter camping, Giselle, if she wants to go. But she has school. She's 17. She has school. So I'll wait. I guess if she wants to go, I'll stay. I'll have to stay till the end of the week. And then I'll just leave Sunday morning after I drop her off. I'll continue my journey, head up into the Dallas area, and up past that all the way north into New Mexico. That's the way I plan on traveling. So I'll get to see a lot of Texas. That's going to be really cool. I have friends in Houston I want to see briefly. So, actually, some of them I want to take metal detecting with me if they're interested. Look at these ferns. Wow. Oh, look at that. Look at the color of that lichen. I think that's what it's called. Look at that. That is so cool. Wow, I've never seen anything like that. Huh. And then we have the hanging moss, which is common in the South. It's beautiful. I love this stuff. Now the north, I can't wait to see the northwest version. I am going to head up. I think I've decided I'm going to Seattle after all. I'd like to be able to see Washington, Oregon. This might be my only cross-country trip I'll be able to take. I don't know. I should do it while the van is in good shape. So I might be late for some family events that are happening at the end of June in Connecticut. I don't think I'm going to make it there on time. But my niece will understand. I will spend some time with her, quality time with her when I do see her. I just think that I need more time to explore the West. I really wanted to check out Washington, Oregon, Idaho. Oregon, I have a camp to go to, a campground called the Burnt River Campground, and it is part of the Lost Dutchman Mining Association. I'd like to spend a week there prospecting. Alrighty, look at that. That's a big, I think it's a cedar. Cedar or fir. Here's some bamboo. This is bamboo. Everybody's leaving. Well, not everybody. There's a lot of people just going down to the lake, like I am. Feels good to walk in the soil or the gravel. It's easier on my feet. I see dragonflies. Look at this big old tree. Isn't this beautiful? Oh, I got to show you the visitor center. This is really cool. This is not your typical visitor center. We're going to head toward there first. And then the trail, I think it's just ahead somewhere. Oh, look at this. This is beautiful. I am totally digging on this. Beautiful ferns and palmettos, and I don't know what these trees are with the interesting leaves. I don't know. I have no idea. Somebody tell me, please. Help me with that. I'd like to know. Please leave a comment if you can. Look at this. Look, I haven't seen any wildlife other than squirrels. So, I know there's probably deer and rabbits. I haven't seen any. Look how tall the grass. Oh, what's that? Okay, so that's the fruit of whatever this tree is. Look how tall the grass is right there. All right, so visitor center. It's this way. Try and get a shortcut going here. Oh, they do not allow metal detecting here, and I didn't understand that at first, but there's some historical buildings on this site, so that's why they don't allow it. And the beach isn't big enough for people to relax, and then you go metal detecting. You'd be right on top of them, so I guess I can understand that. Here is the visitor center. I see something very inviting. A rocking chair. That sounds really good right now. This whole area used to be part of a sugar mill. That's all I know about it. So let's find out together what the history is behind all the buildings here. There are some structures that are half destroyed. I want to sit in this chair. Oh, that's beautiful. I've got to sit in it for a minute. You guys are going to get a little bit of rocking going on here. Hope you don't mind. And if you do, you can switch to another channel. Ugh. Oh, yeah. That actually feels good on my back. Hip is swollen today. All right, let's go.